Hello guys, Sajid is here with a new video, and this is the second video of our React Native weather application course. And in this video we will see the required application, the required softwares for this course. Okay, for React Native weather application course. Okay, so the very first software which you will need is Node.js. Okay, so this software is available for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux, for Ubuntu, for almost every operating system. So here you have two options: the Node.js LTS version, the Node.js current version. Both will work in this course. Okay, LTS means long-term support. This means that the Node community, the Node development team will support this version 14.15.3 for long term, and this is the current version. It will have all the latest features, but might be this is not LTS. Okay, so the Node team will not support this for long term. Okay, this is one of the required software. Without this software you can't build projects in React Native. This is required, mandatory for this course. The inner software which I will use is Vscode, which is actually a text editor. Okay, so I will write the code in this text editor, Visual Studio Code, or in short Vscode. This software is also available for all operating system. It is available for Mac OS, for Windows, for Linux. Okay, so I will use this code editor. Okay, if you don't like Visual Studio Code or Vscode, you can try Sublime. Okay, this is also very famous, the another one is Atom. Okay, when we have Atom, when we have Vscode, let me open all popular text editor. Another one we have Brackets, another one we have Sublime, but Sublime is not free. Okay, you will need to purchase the license, and Vscode, Brackets, Atom, these three are free. Atom, Vscode, Brackets, these three are free. Sublime is not free. Okay, so Node.js and Vscode both are installed with me. So what is the next step? The next step is I'm going to create React Native project. Okay, so what you should do, you should type create React Native app. Just type this, sorry, in your browser, and go to the GitHub link. Okay, so this command line utility, okay, create React Native app, this is actually command line utility which will help us to create React Native project. Okay, we will use create React Native app utility in the command line to create our React Native projects. Okay, so this is the name of the utility, and this is npx. Okay, so two things come with Node.js. Okay, uh, in Node.js, you know two tools which comes with Node.js and which are very important for us are, one is npm. This means Node package manager. Okay, and the another one is npx. This means Node package execute. Okay, so through npm we can download the Node packages, and through npx we can run the Node packages. Okay, we can execute. Okay, so I think this is explanation is not too much, this is not enough, so you should google npm versus npx. Okay, both comes with node.js. Let's see. Here is, okay, you can read this description. Node package manager is a package manager. You can install node packages using npm. Npx is a tool to execute node packages. Okay, if you don't know node, if you don't know what is node package, then please ask in the comment. I will record a separate video on this topic. Okay, so I'm using npx, okay, node package execute, to run this CLI, okay, to run this utility. Now I copy, I go to projects, and here I go to YouTube, and here, okay, uh, npx. What is npx? Npx means node package execute. Okay, this npx will execute, create React Native app. What npx will do? It will execute this package, this command line utility. And what this command line utility does, it actually creates React Native project for us. So what is the name? What should be the name? Let's say YouTube weather. Yeah, yeah, world weather. Okay, this is the name of my project. Okay, I'm telling to npx that npx, please run create react native app. And what create react native app will do, what it will does, it will create a project, react native project for us, and the project name is world weather. Okay, I enter. You can run this command in any terminal. Okay, now I don't want to use any template. I go with default new application. So it will take some time to create the project. That's why I paused this video. Okay, so the project is creating. I just want to show that we will build this project, and you can see I already explained this project in the first video, but just for review, here you can see in the project, this is available on Play Store. Okay, this is not ready for production. You should not use commercially. Actually this project is just a demo, and only for learning and education purpose. Okay, so here you can see we have three tabs, and this is the home tab. Then we have, this is setting tab. Okay, this is this is landscape and portrait. Okay, all those things. Yeah, we have only three screenshot. Oh, this is another screenshot also. Okay, as you can see, the project is created. Now I go inside the project directory. The project directory is world weather. Okay, now I open this in Vscode. So you can, one way is to go to this folder and open this folder in Vscode. The shortcut is write code and then dot. Okay, that's good. Now I want to run this, just click on this npm script section and click on Android. If Android emulator is installed with you, then it will open in the Android, the application will open in the Android emulator. But if you don't have Android emulator, then there is also another easiest way. Okay, just connect your Android phone to your laptop via cable, okay, via USB cable, and turn on debugging mode on your Android phone. Okay, you will see this demo on your real Android device. Okay, you can test this application on your real Android device also. If you don't know how, then please ask question in the comment section. I will record a separate video. Okay, let me tell you step by step. First, turn on debugging mode, you know, in the setting of your phone. Then connect your phone to your laptop via USB cable, and then click on this Android play button. Okay, actually, this is old application which is open in my emulator. So what will happen now, you know the current application is now taking some time to install the required things and to run. So when this current application uh, run, then it will appear on our emulator. Okay, this application will go down. I click here. I don't know. Okay, wait. Yeah, I close all these things. Okay, I pause the video. Okay, just to tell you that it will take some time. Okay, now build successful, connected to the development server, starting the app on emulator 5554. So mean this. Okay, okay, open 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 up app.js to start working on your app. Okay, so this is app.js, and you can see this text here. Okay, so you saw how we can create a React Native application by using create React Native app CLI. Okay, this CLI, and how we can run our application in an Android emulator. The next step is to install the required libraries. So you can see uh, our application has some tabs here. uh, you can see we have our application has three tabs: home, about, settings. Okay, so this is called tab navigation. So for this tab navigation I will use one library which is called React Navigation. The website is reactnavigation.org. Just click on read docs and install this library. Okay, you can click on this plus icon to create another terminal. You can use React Native to build Android application, iOS application, web application. Okay, but in this series we will only build Android application because I'm on Windows machine, and on Windows you can only build Android application, not iOS. It's taking some time, so I pause the video. Okay, it is installing still. Okay, so okay, now we are not using Expo, we are using bare React Native project. So we will also need to install this thing, these libraries. I don't know how to select these all. Very good, I did. Okay, it's taking time. Then I will install these dependencies. Okay. Okay, very good. You can see one thing, React navigation slash native. This package is installed. Now, we are working with this bare React native project, so I install these dependencies. Okay. So what I do, I paste the command here. Okay, I copied this whole command. Just make sure you copied the whole command. It's harder to copy the whole command because of this copy button, but just do something like this and it will work. Okay, so you can see this. It will also take some time. Then we will configure. Okay, I close this terminal. We don't need this. Okay, very good. You can see these dependencies also installed. Now the next step is configuration. So to finalize installation of React Native gesture handler, add the following. Okay, so I copy this and I add this in app.js. So I paste it here. Okay, this is my app.js file. What is the next thing? Okay, now we need to wrap the whole app in and navigation container. So first I import the navigation container. Okay, I'm working inside app.js, and you should do something like this to wrap the whole application. Okay, here I wrap the whole view in navigation navigation container. Very good. What is the next step? Okay, now we should make sure. Okay, I delete this terminal now. Okay, uh, wait, I again click on this play button, this run button, so that we can see our app is working. Okay, again it will take some time, so I pause the video. Oh, it's working, yeah, now very fast. Okay, sorry for disturbing some people outside of of my building, are I think celebrating the new year. Today, today is the first date, but I don't know they are celebrating the new year now. So sorry for disturbance and sorry for the noise. You can hear the noise. Okay, so unload to load. Okay, we have error. Unable to load script. Make sure you are either using a metro server or run. Okay, let me find the error. Where is the error? Okay, sorry, the issue was the Node.js version which I was using. Okay, so was I think version 12, and now I installed the latest version, this LTS version, so it will work now. Okay, project, what's happening? um, okay, I think uh, wait, I cancel everything. Okay, so if you want to run this project only in Android device, or only in Android emulator, you should click on this run button. But I suggest to click on the start button, and from here, okay, I close the old one. Click on start. I minimize this. Okay, I have already opened. Now to reload, open developer menu. D. Why not working? Okay, I press D. Okay. Actually, uh, the videos will be a bit lengthy, but I want to teach you like a teacher that what's happening in reality. I don't want to cut the videos. Okay, so in reality or in the industry, you will work like as I'm doing now. I don't know why it's taking time now. It should open the menu. Okay, in the menu, it open a page in the browser from where we can run on Android, iOS, web. But I click on this. I don't need menu, but you should click on start. Okay, so I again pause the video because it will again take some time. Okay, our next step is here. We have tab navigation in our application. If you see, we have tab navigation, home, about, setting. So we will use tab navigation. This is tab navigation. Okay, then I will need to run this command, but first wait. Okay, okay, as you can see, build successful and the application is running in my emulator. Now the next step is to install the bottom tabs. Okay, this to create this navigation. So what I do, okay, this is empty. Okay, this is, I think we are also not using this. Okay, now we have one terminal. I create one another for installation. Our project is already running in this terminal 1. Okay, and in terminal 2 I will install the required, the necessary dependencies. Okay, okay, when after the installation, we will need to import this, the bottom tab navigation. Okay, and app.js, here I imported. Okay, bottom tabs dependency, but you should wait until it's successfully installed. Okay, then okay, you can see here we have three screens: home, about, settings. Now for testing purpose, I create only two. One is home screen. I create in the same in the same file, but later I will change. Okay, this is my home screen, and let's say this is the second, the settings screen. Okay, uh, if you already know React Native, I don't want to teach you the basics of React Native. You should know the basics of React Native. uh, you know I just, in this course, I'm just teaching you that how you can use your basic concept to create, a real world project. Okay, then we need to create bottom tab navigation. Okay, make sure you imported the create bottom tab navigator. Yes, navigator, not navigation. Okay, we are already using the navigation container. Now we will use tab navigation. Okay, and here you can see uh, we have one screen home, the another screen is setting. you know Home screen is using home screen component. Okay, and for this screen we are using setting screen component. Okay, now I save this. Okay, I don't know why. This is very, irritating to run again and again. Okay, we can also use icons and many things. Okay, so it will take it will take some time to compile, but now you know our project should two screens and two tab navigation. Okay, starting intent. Hmm. What's happened? Starting. Okay, now you can see we have two navigations. One is home, the another one is sitting. The font is very small, the styling is not good, and this is home screen. And if I click, this is sitting, home, sitting, home, sitting. Okay, sorry what I did. Okay, sorry, I did something wrong. I should close all the. Okay, this is our application. uh we can also use the icons. If you see here, we are using some icons, home icon, info icon, sitting icon. So but I will use that later. We have one another screen also, that is called about screen. Okay, about screen. And let's say I write here about, and the name is about, and the component is about screen. Okay, so we have three components. Okay, now this is not a good way to create screens in a single file. Okay, we should split each screen to a different file, because might be the logic or the code will become very confusing. So you should split the code of each component into a separate folder, sorry, into a separate file. So what I do, I create one folder here, I call it screens. Okay, inside this I will have mm, home screen. This is my one screen. Then I have about screen. Then I have one another settings screen. Okay, .js. The spelling of about is wrong, so it is like this. Okay, now very good. Okay, I close everything. I want to show you, I have one, I installed one plugin for snippets. I don't know, E7 or reactjs code snippets. Let me check. Okay, because I know the command. So yes, you should install this plugin. Okay, simply search here, simply click on this icon, and search. This is name react code snippet, react react.js code snippet. Okay, like this, and you should click. In my case, I have install button, but in your case, you will have install button, so you should install this. Okay, now where we will need this, here we will need this plugin here. It will help us to encoding, to generate some code, some basic code. So I type react functional component, and I So you can see this is the skeleton of this functional component. Okay, I need a React functional component. Yes, you can also generate class component like React class component. You know, this is class component, but I work with functional component. So okay, these are some. Now what I do, I copy this whole logic, this whole thing, this I delete this. Okay, this is home screen, so I copy everything to here. Okay, I will also need to import view and text component, so I can simply do this, you know, from here. I don't need style sheet, we use this for styling. I need text and okay, uh, you know, I need this in about screen also, in settings screen also. Okay, now what I do, I copy this and I delete the home screen. I go to okay, I paste it here. Very good. Now settings screen, I paste it here. I also don't need settings screen. So now I will import these screens. How I will import? I will import something like this. Import. First I import the home screen. So home screen. Yes. Okay. Here I'm using auto import, but okay, I will show you. But I'm doing manually now. Screen from. Okay, from where? I want to import from. You know, you will write dot slash. Okay, I want to go to the screens folder, screens. Then what I want to import, I want to import the home screen, this. Okay, the same I do for about screen, about screen. Okay, the same I do for setting screen. Okay, very good. I'm using, you know, auto import also. You know, where is auto import? Here, you know, this will help you in auto importing. Okay, our project should run. What is happening? Why it is not? Let me rerun again. But yeah, it's already running. I don't know why I closed. You can see we have home screen, about screen, and you can see I can rotate. Wow, I have home screen, about screen, setting screen. Very good. Oh, what I did. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, no. I don't know uh, how to align again. Uh, okay, the phone. Yeah, it's working now. Very good. Okay, so I think this is enough in this video, and in the next video, we will work with you know, with designing, like you know, here we have header, here we have some cards. Okay, so I will work with designing, and if you remember, I told in the first video that we will use React Native paper for components for designing. Okay, React Native paper. Okay, so you see our project is running. Even I split the code into files. Okay, That's it. Thank you.